All right, guys. So Blake went to go get some food because he forgot some. So it's just me and Rylan right now, and we're still kind of setting up camp.
Hi, guys.
So, yeah, we got our sled right here. Seats for some seats and stuff. We also have a little ledge right there, and Rylan made his bed. So, if you guys want to sneak peek, there you are. Oop. So yeah, we're just kind of doing that. And stuff, and yeah, I'm trying to fix the stand right now, guys. Sorry about that weird angling.
This is how you show the sled. You just put that down.
So yeah.
That's the sled.
Boom.
That's my helmet.
Yeah.
And
there we are. My hands are cold, so yeah.
Blake will come back in a little bit.
Yeah.
See
Go.
ya. I'm stuck.
Well, can you guys hear that? Blake's coming. Oh, maybe. Maybe not. Nope, that's not Blake. Oh, there goes Rylan. Oh, Blake is here. And just like that, Blake's back. Let's take some pictures. This beautiful snowmobile. And Rylan is having the time of his life.
Alright, guys,
Sledding.
we just got settled. Probably been out here. They've been out here for 5 minutes.
Yeah,
But we'll be out here for 2 more hours.
my hands are already freezing.
Yeah, and I got a pack of hand warmers in here. So
All right.
be nice and settled in. So guys, if you like this video, like and subscribe. And it's the first, what do you call it, big snow day? I don't know.
The
big
first, at
snow
least,
weekend.
yeah, at least nice
This year.
snow day.
So we got our camp right there. It doesn't look like it yet, but
It'll get there.
yep. So we're gonna go down there and get settled in and eat some snacks and
Oh yeah.
yeah. We'll put the music on. Okay.
Okay, guys, it's finally starting to warm up. Well, this is. I'm not. I'm still freezing cold. It is so cold in North Dakota, you guys. It's crazy. But they are getting rocks and stuff. So, yeah. I'll find out what they're doing in a sec.
Alright guys, so we're here out in North Dakota. It's where I live. We're out here, my cousin, my brother, and just out here just seeing how long we can stay and just having fun. So we were just like, let's just make a video of it. So just out here, I don't know,
Enjoying
yeah,
scenery.
and just talking about, made a chair, trying to, at the sled up top. We'll be heading out in like 2 hours here, so yeah.
Second snow. You're covered.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Second day riding, tracked it up mostly, but it's a lot deeper, and I thought this was deeper. So yeah, I'm gonna do a little more, maybe go over here and get some more. So yeah.
Yeah. You good?
Yeah. Hi. Well, I'm gonna go to the deeper. I thought this was deep, but I'm gonna go like right over here. Okay, so follow me.